Hi, my name is Oscar Osase. I'm from Spain. I'm 38 years old now. Well, my hair loss started, I guess, my early 30s, late 20s. I started like losing hair more in the front line, then more in the back. Then I just cut the whole hair off till about a year back when I started to grow my hair back, and I realized that, wow, I had a really hair loss, very advanced stage. So I decided to get an hair transplant. I said, wow, let's just do it then. So I started to contact clinics, do some investigations and everything, and I'm here.
Talk about your medical situation, okay?
Okay.
You're from Spain, Barcelona. I think it's a very good city to live. Oscar, I think this can only be enough for the crown, but not for a high dance. Okay? Crown, if it's the most important part for you, it will be the best for you. Do not touch the front and mid. I think it will be the best option.
Well, I started investigating a little bit about finasteride, minoxidil and everything, so I started to do some more research. Then I started on a little bit of medication, like 1 milligram of finasteride every day. Then with minoxidil, for about a year now, but still there's no change. So I just decided to get a hair transplant. The crown is more like more important for me, I don't know how you say it, doctor. So I really thought I could get more out of the crown, out of the donor area. So if I have the crown, I'll still cut it low, till 1 year time,
Higher than 2,500, we can make the front at the corners and then the crown area.
Okay. Yeah, because I cut my hair low, so.
Let's see the number first, Oscar, okay?
Well, it's been months since I've been trying to actually, get a clinic, because I have to go through many clinics, because there are a lot of clinics, which is the best, investigations, call this and call that. Now I'm here. I'm so happy that I finally got a good clinic, I've seen a lot of recommendations online, and yeah, I'm very happy to be here. Yeah, sure. Well, speaking about pain, I thought it was very, very painful because a lot of people say it's very painful, it's very painful. Well, actually, it wasn't too bad, it was just normal pain, expected pain. So based on the pain, there was no pain. It's bearable, it's not so bad. My approach was actually nice, the process was actually smooth, everybody were actually nice here, from the reception to the operation room, everywhere nice, clean. This is quite good. My expectation was actually to get my crown and my hairline, but I was short a little bit of some grafts, so I had to just do the crown area. Then maybe later I'll do the other front line, the hairline. I was actually doing my investigation, so I found Smile from YouTube. I saw a lot of videos about the operation, and I said, okay, let me go there. Yeah, it was on YouTube. Follow the true transformation.